So here we go with the quick click. First person to guess the song from that intro segment wins something. Wins a heart. Wins the little heart like icon from me, from yours truly. I'll think of something better, but I want to see if you guys know that song because I love that song. Let's go to the desktop here. So for those of you who do corporate work or basically any work with watermarking, you may have had this issue where you're editing the actual song, and let's say you have the ending of the song kind of show up sooner, and you have this little section here that you kind of want to vamp a little bit, and so the song that you create and edit isn't the song that was initially in the source file. And when you go in to replace the song with the purchased licensed music, it's a little tedious. So some of you may know the hold down Alt and drag option. However, the problem with that is if you do the same things for, let's say, this vamping section here, it's going to go to the very beginning of the song. You can see this little notch in the corner here. So I'm going to undo that. So what you can do is, instead of holding down Alt, you actually hold down Alt and Shift and drag and bring it over the watermarked music. And you'll see that it's the song. It's based on the waveforms. It's the exact section. You can kind of do that with each section here. Alt Shift drag, Alt Shift drag. So super simple, and it will save you time. And we all know time is money. So there you go.